How to add drawing tool on TradingView. Are you guys facing issues to add drawing tools on your TradingView? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open TradingView on your laptop device. Once you open the TradingView app, now look at the left side of your screen where you can see all these drawing tools. Just click on it. Now select it according to your preference. For example, if you want to add short position on your chart, then click on short position and tap on your screen. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add drawing tool on our TradingView. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.